Now, I will explain the ideal conditions for optimum performance, maintenance, and troubleshootings of high-precision balance. 1. High-precision balance must be placed on a flat and stable table. Level the balance using the leg ferrule adjusters and the inbuilt spirit level. 2. Warm up the high-precision balance for at least 30 minutes before use every day. 3. After warming up, calibrate the balance using internal calibration. 4. Keep the balance away from dirt and dusty areas, as dust can damage internal components. 5. Do not exceed the maximum weight capacity of the balance. 6. Avoid moving the balance from one place to another. 7. Maintain an operating temperature of plus 15 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius. The recommended temperature for better performance is 23 degrees Celsius plus or minus 2 degrees Celsius. 8. Avoid placing the balance near generators, refrigerators, ventilation systems, and other equipment that produces vibrations, as they can affect the accuracy of the precision balance. 9. Use a stabilizer for a stable 220 volts power supply. 10. Ensure that the direction of the air conditioner is not in front of the balance to prevent moisture from forming inside the mechanism. 11. Avoid placing the balance in areas affected by air pressure from ceiling fans, air conditioners, and open doors, as these can cause incorrect measurements. 12. Place your sample on the weighing pan slowly and close the glass windshield gently when weighing. 13. Keep magnetic field objects far away from the balance as they can affect its measurements. 14. Place the sample in the center of the weighing pan for the most accurate results. 15. Prevent electrostatic charges, as they can cause unstable and non-repeatable weighing results by exerting force on the weighing pan. 16. Use anti-static weighing containers, preferably metal, to avoid static charges. Plastic and glass containers can hold an electric current, leading to non-repeatable measurements or drifting readings. 17. Below the minimum weight, the relative measurement uncertainty is larger than the required weighing accuracy, making the weighing result unreliable. 18. Test with certified E2 or F1 class weights if necessary. Ensure the weights are warmed up. 19. Cool hot or warm samples to room temperature before weighing. 20. Weigh hygroscopic samples quickly with the balance doors closed to prevent moisture absorption. 21. Use a dust cover on the balance when not in use to maintain its reliability and accuracy. 22. Ensure proper earthing. Thank you.